What is up, you guys? Your girl is back for the second spooky edition Slay Sunday. So for this look, I wanted to give Wednesday Addams a try. I feel like that's always like a classic Halloween costume that a lot of people do, but I wanted to hit it this time because the Netflix show came out technically after Halloween last year. So yeah, I wanted to give a look a try. So I'm going in with my Colourpop Blowin Smoke palette, and I'm taking that kind of, I guess it's honestly like a true gray shade, and I'm putting that as my transition. And I'm also just taking that same shadow and putting that on my lower lash line. Okay, and next I'm taking that gray shade. Honestly, it's kind of like a pewter. Is that correct? Maybe? Anyway, I'm taking that shade and I'm using my e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm putting that in my crease just to kind of deepen it up a little bit. At first, I couldn't really tell if there was much of a difference between those two shades, but as I was building up the second shadow, I was starting to see that definition come in. And next I'm taking my Beauty Bay Nude Matte palette. It's kind of like a little bit of a paler gray that's in that palette. So I am just taking my packing brush and I'm putting that on my lid. And now I am taking that black shade in the palette, and I'm taking, again, my angled eyeshadow brush, and I am applying that black as if it was eyeliner. Because I didn't want it to be like super duper harsh, so that is why I wanted to use the eyeshadow instead. Alright, and so next I'm going back in with that Beauty Bay palette. I was trying to figure out which brown shade I wanted to use, but I wanted to create some faux freckles. I've never done that before, but I have like kind of a more fine tip brush. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm literally just dipping into that and just placing little dots all over I guess the underparts of my eyes and on my nose. And what I did too, so that it wouldn't look too like harsh, I actually took my like powder brush after that and just kind of like, I guess like dabbed over the freckles so that it blended in just a little bit better. But yeah, this was my attempt. I don't have any like, real products for that, so I just tried it with the eyeshadow. And yes, I've applied my lashes and my lip off camera. I have my Juvia's Place Oh, I forget what shade it is, but it's like a nice, just kind of burgundy wine color. Really pretty shade. I recently bought it actually, but this completes the look. Now that the hair is on, voila, and the costume. Hi, here she is. She's Wednesday. Sorry, disregard that braid. It was a cheap ass wig off of Amazon. So, you know, Euro is balling on a budget here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I had fun creating this. And yeah, I'll be back next week with the next one. Bye bye, you guys.